morning friends, I am Renishu studying 8th class at ZPHS MannemPalli. Today I am doing an experiment. The aim of this experiment is to find the limiting force that can be borne by a string. Materials used for this: spring balance, weights, light strings are of 10 cm length. Now the procedure is: arrange the spring balance to the vertical stand, put some small weights like 50 grams to the weights hanger. I note the readings. The reading is, I noticed that 50 grams 50 newtons. Now add some more weights to the weights hanger. I note the reading. The reading is, I observed 100 newtons. Do the same till the string is broken. Observation. While doing this experiment, I observed that 50 newtons, 100 newtons, 150 newtons, the string is not broken. Now I am adding one more weight to the weights hanger. When the hanger is 100 newtons, the string is broken. Then these 200 newtons is the limiting force to bond by a string. Result: this string can hold up to a certain limit of time. This is called a